Hey, to pair your smartphone with your DualSense wireless controller, first of all, on your PlayStation, you have to go into the right upper corner, open the settings, from here scroll down and go to the accessories, and now go to the right side and tap to turn off accessories. So click X to confirm and confirm one more time. And now as you can see, indicator is not blinking anymore. So we have to enter for the pairing mode by holding two buttons, the PlayStation button and the action button. So click and hold them together until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. Now you can release, and as you can see, it is blinking. So now all you have to do is just to go to our smartphone, and from here we have to enter for sure to the Bluetooth, so turn it on by tapping on it, and then click and hold to enter for the Bluetooth settings. Then go to the pair new device and select your DualSense wireless controller. Accept the pairing. And as you can see, now we are successfully connected. This indicator is not blinking anymore, so it means that we are actually connected and we can use our controller with our Android phone. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.